Hey everyone, welcome back to Sculpting in Progress, where we talk all things weight loss, meal preps, and living healthy lifestyle, especially for busy moms like you. If this is your first time, my name is Joy, a busy mom who decided it is time to start making healthy choices for myself and for my family. And it's so good to have you here. Welcome. Today, I'm sharing my journey of completing a 72-hour fast, what it did to my body, my mind, and my energy levels. Plus, I'll give you my top tips to make prolonged fasting manageable, even if you have a hectic schedule like mine. So let's dive in. First, let me share with you why I decided to try a 72-hour fast. As a mom, I'm always juggling family, schoolwork, and self-care. Honestly, I was feeling stuck with my weight loss progress. I needed to detoxify my body, reset my eating habits, and I've heard so many great benefits of prolonged fasting. Also, my book I ordered, the obesity code just arrived, and I needed to push the limits while studying the book. To know the science behind fasting, to know the science behind weight loss, and how to lose weight the healthy way. Apart from weight loss, there are other benefits of fasting. These include better digestion, insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation. And I wanted to enjoy all of this. But let's be real, 72 hours without food, it's easier than you think with the right mindset and preparation, which I will share later. So, here's what happened during my 72 hours of fasting. First 24 hours was easy for me. My last meal before the fast was a very low carb, high fat, and high protein wraps. I checked for my ketosis level, as you can see here, it was nothing, still warming up. Since my energy was still up, I stuck to only water. Also, I received the book I ordered from Amazon, The Obesity Code by Dr. Jason Fung. In other words, I kept myself busy, and surprisingly, I wasn't as hungry as I thought I would be because I prepared my body beforehand by staying clear of sugar and carbs. Stay busy, it works. Day two was the toughest part. I felt moments of hunger and low energy. Going for long walks helped. I also drank electrolytes to avoid headaches. This is a game changer, moms. You can try this. However, if you're not comfortable with electrolytes, you can put a teaspoon of salt, sea salt. It helps with headache. By day three, I felt so light, clear-headed, and even energized. I went to another long walk, took my electrolytes, and drank plenty of water. My body had fully adapted, and I was in full ketosis mode, burning fat for fuel. I kept reminding myself why I was doing this, and I felt empowered to finish strong. I broke my fast with this yogurt with nuts and dried fruit. I will add the link to the pinned comment below. And now for the part you've been waiting for, the result. In just 72 hours, I lost roughly 9 pounds. Remember, not all of this is fat. It's a mix of glycogen, fat loss, and even water weight. Now, it doesn't mean I will yo-yo back to my old weight. By the end of the fast, I felt less bloated, more energized, and surprisingly more focused. It was like hitting the reset button for my mind and my body. Other benefits include a clearer skin. I noticed a big reduction in cravings. I was no longer reaching out for snacks mindlessly, which is huge for me as a mom, always surrounded by snacks. Now that you know what to expect, here are my top tips to make prolonged fast work for you, even if you are a busy mom. Prepare your body. Cut down on carbs and sugar a few days before starting your fast to make the transition easier. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend. Add electrolytes to avoid headaches and fatigue. Keep busy. The less you focus on food, the easier it gets. Use this time to declutter, journal, or even meal prep for after you fast. Listen to your body. If you feel unwell, it's okay to stop. Fasting isn't one size fits all. Plan your refeed. Breaking your fast the right way is so important. Start with something light like bone broth and avoid heavy meals to prevent stomach problems. And that is my 72-hour fasting journey in a nutshell. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more healthy lifestyle tips, comment down below with your fasting experience or questions. I would like to connect with you. Stay healthy, stay happy. I'll see you in the next one.